Wala man ni nanay mong face. Close your eyes na. Grabe yung kiat ni kuya ha. Close your eyes. Mark Zeb. We will call Tantan. Guy. Oh, look at daddy. Grabe yung kiat ni kuya ha. Makzeb. Dude, dili ra ba din maglukat sa daddy oh. Close your eyes.